Hello guys, welcome back to the second part, and I put the Blue Yeti set in so it won't pick up things outside of this room. So no more dogs barking, though Aiden's still here. Gee, okay, I'm getting real tired of my phone. Oh shit, oh shit, oh my god. So hopefully you can't hear the mouse as well when I click. Yeah, I'm probably gonna move the Blue Yeti. Oh, why didn't I do that? Shit. Yeah. Part 3, I'm moving the Yeti again. Last zombie. Please give me something. Oh, okay, I got it by the death machine. What a waste of points. But I'll need it later anyway, so I guess it's fine. Definitely asking for new headphones for Christmas. Go with my school candy, $10. Okay. Don't slam it. Okay, yeah, that was pretty good. That was a pretty good door close. Zombies? Oh. Oh my gosh, hello. Okay, give me a perk. Yes, yes, finally. Oh my gosh. T850, yes. And now I just need the Melon launcher and I'm set. Now I can just shoot at the ground. Pew. Pew. I'm wondering if I should survive as long as I can or escape the island. Tell me what you guys think after I'm done with the video. Oh my god. Oh, I should use my death machine. It reloads instantly, that's so overpowered. That deaded. I'm going to attempt Happy Wheels. Hasn't worked the last 20 times I've tried. But on my old channel, people like those the most. So I'm gonna probably go with that. No. No. Gosh damn it. Oh, why did it switch? I might play with an Xbox remote. I'm way better with Xbox remotes next time. So much easier. But I thought this would be more silent, so I went with this. Hopefully you can't hear the... Oh my god, I keep saying the same things. Jesus. Hopefully one day I'll get more comfortable with talking to a microphone. Hopefully one day I'll realize there's people out there that'll watch me. But at the moment, I have like 4 people. So, basically, no reason right now. But I'm gonna try and get popular enough that people will actually watch me. And then I'll try much, much harder. 1,000 subscribers would be awesome one day. Did I? No! No. Are you kidding me? Can I like pick it up by jumping? No! Now I don't even have a second weapon. God damn it. Well, now I'm so done. I'm so done. Yeah, I'm probably dead. I gotta train with a death machine. Best training method ever. It's actually working. I'm so slow. How are they not catching me? Maybe they're like hitting me, but it's not sucking me in. Oh, there's one hit. There's 2 hit. Oh my God, Jesus. Oh my God, now I have to train again. Except this time I don't have grenades. Oh shit, bad idea. Bad idea. Whoa, freaking hawk outside. Knife. Oh my gosh. And now we get down to business. Oh my God. Probably gonna get a new chair too, because this one is an office chair. Since it's my dad's old office. Oh my gosh, you did not die from 3 knives. 4 knives. 5 knives. 6 knives. There we go. Nope. Okay. I'm done. There we go. Gosh, I could have bought 250 again. Dude, I'm so pissed. And I could have bought ammo up here. Oh my gosh, so many reasons that I shouldn't have bought that. 1 second, bear, I'm almost done with my video. Oh, wait, no, I'm not. Maybe. Soon, maybe. Hopefully. If I can escape this godforsaken island. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. No. Yes, I love how I can reload it instantly. Such a lifesaver. Any way to save ammo. My more useful gun is away. That's fine by me. Yes, I can actually train down here. Oh, I could freaking no-scope people down here. Okay, and try no-scope is at me. Damn it. He almost hit it. God damn. 60 frames per second. Don't even know why I go with this if I'm just gonna render it at the end. Come on. Come on. Yes. Line them up. There we go. Piles of zombies. Whoa, that one's floating. The one with no head. Pew, 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 pew. Tried recording Skyrim. That didn't work. Crashed. I don't know why it crashed my computer, honestly. Gosh damn it. What am I gonna do over here? At least I could buy ammo if I needed to. I think I'm gonna start part 3. See you guys in the next part. Peace.